3, 2, 1, let's go. What is up, superhero crypto ninjas, bringing you another daily video where we review the newly listed coins on CoinMarketCap, trying to find the next 100x project amidst this quote-unquote bear market. So without further ado, let's get started. Last video we ended at StarChain. You might want to check that one out. I believe we had one winner, which was a game called Tribal Punk. You guys might want to check that video out. And today we have 9 projects to review, so hopefully we can find a winner. Let's go. So the first project is called FunFi. This project looks really bad. The design, there's way too much going on. My eye does not know where to go with the colors and the different fonts. Super hard to read, not even gonna try. Play to earn. Yeah, if they can't create a website like this, let's just check out the video, give them the benefit of the doubt. Probably a Fiverr video. Yeah, Fiverr video, and at that, a horrible one. Typically, you want the team just talking about, or at least the founder talking about the vision and what makes you guys unique and how you guys are helping humanity. In this case, it's a pass for me. So next up, we have SEKOPAY. Okay, a cryptocurrency exchange. I don't love new exchanges just because for me they're a little bit risky, especially since we already have large exchanges that have kind of quote unquote proven themselves already. Putting your money in a new exchange. I actually had a couple of new exchanges reach out to me wanting me to promote their products, just so you guys are aware of inside scoops for crypto influencers. They get paid to shill different ship projects. So yeah, different exchanges have offered me thousands of dollars to promote their shit exchange. Their teams are not doxed, their location is not available, which I can kind of understand is just too risky for me to be able to promote. So stuff like this, I'm not a huge fan of. Again, oh, they have a team on this one, so let's check it out. Okay, they have 2 people on their team, and looks a little bit shady. Just this. Check out his LinkedIn. So when we look at LinkedIn's, what you guys are looking out for is references to start, because those are the hardest to fake, especially from a while ago. If they don't have those, yeah, so this guy's no references, and only 167 connections, which is very little. I know a lot of people don't use LinkedIn, and this is a very weak LinkedIn profile. So do you trust this guy with your money on an exchange? I personally would not, and for that reason I will pass. Next up, we have Expanz. Okay, the first thing I see is it looks like a marketer who's a little bit too cheesy. So when you start with the highest paying auto staking compounding, so DeFi had its day, especially with high APYs. Waste of time, waste of money, too risky. I know a lot of people are still gonna put their money into projects like this, but you're basically putting it in this black hole. Yeah, they're just selling their features way too much, and I do like these though, where they have comparative analysis. Let's see if there's anything that makes them better. Okay, they're comparing themselves with 2 projects which I've heard of, Seifu and Titano. Let's just see. So the frequency of the rebase is faster. Auto buyback. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to really separate themselves from different DeFi projects, but let's just see. They have an insurance fund. I don't even know what that means. Good luck. Okay, so they do have their team. Let's check out the team. Okay, so just to FYI, you don't want to have them taken away from your website. So when you have links like to your LinkedIn, stuff like that, don't change the main chat tab, just put a new tab. Okay, that takes me to a Discord. That's horrible. I'm not even gonna look at this. This team looks fake. Don't invest in projects like this. Shit project. Next up, we have Velodrome Finance, another DeFi one. Let's check it out. Okay, so the trading and liquidity marketplace on Optimism. So Optimism just did their airdrop, so they're catching a lot of hype. I guess this is like a Curve or a Uniswap for Optimism. I don't know how many of these projects are out there, so I can't say that I recommend this. Take a look at their paper. So I guess what makes them different is that yeah, they want to be like a curve, it looks like, with a 0.02% trading fee. Yeah, I just don't know enough. Oh, there. What is our mission? Our mission is to make Velodrome Finance the liquidity base layer of Optimism. So they're probably competing with a few other companies. The website's not fully developed yet. I know it's just taking you to launch the app, but I personally would not launch the app or connect to a wallet with an unproven project like this that doesn't really have too much of their info on their website until they can upgrade their website and just tell you a little bit more about them and maybe prove themselves. Although, yeah, it's already at a $6 million market cap, so maybe it does have potential. Maybe it is catching traction. I'd have to do a deeper dive to see how many competitors they have. I'd actually love it if on their website they put their competitors. But we can do quick research and just check this out. Okay, so if we just do a quick search on Google for liquidity marketplace on Optimism to see who their competitors are, we can see their Optimism has an app section, so let's just click on that. And then let's do a control find for Liquid. So Aave looks like it's doing that for Optimism, as well as Curve Finance. So these are two proven ones. What I'd like to see on this website, Velodrome, and I do like the logo. You can tell a lot just based off of design sometimes, is what makes you different than Aave and Curve, and what makes you guys better. But Aave and Curve have a huge market cap, so this one might be a good investment. I'm gonna actually leave this one up there and see what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments whether you think this has the potential to overtake these two or what makes them different. You can see Optimism has another company with a rainbow logo. Okay, I'll leave that one up there. Next one, we have StarkMeta. So it's a metaverse play to earn games based on Unreal Engine. Don't love the design of this site. There's no team. Yeah, I mean, I love games and I love Unreal Engine, but the design of this website's turning me off, and also there's no team. So okay, here's a comparison table. So they're comparing themselves to Decentraland and Sandbox, Axie, all the big games. And they're saying that they have a game release. And it's powered by Unreal. Okay. So I like that they know what makes them different than their competitors. But I just don't know, like, where's the team? Typically for games, you want to show the team, and that's what people are investing in. So for that reason, I will pass, but I'd love if they actually put their team on there. I'll probably tag them and see why their team's not on there, but otherwise, I don't mind it. Next, we have Ice Bear Token. Oh, isn't that cute? So cute. Reminds me of Coca-Cola's old commercials with the polar bears. Alright, I mean, this is taking my attention, and it'll probably take a lot of other people's attention just because for the cuteness factor, but let's see what they're actually about. So welcome to the Ice Bear Token Club. Every good day in the crypto world deserves to be remembered. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay. Ice Bear Token is an NFT distribution platform that issues and commemorates Ice Bear Token days. Okay, it's a kind of a meme coin, and the design's not the best. And also there's no team, so I'm gonna pass. Looks a little bit memey, but good job on the video. Captured my attention for like 30 seconds. That's awesome. Next we have the APIs. Okay, first thing I see is instant blockchain. Okay, what does that even mean? Indexing protocol for reading and writing to open networks. Okay, too technical. Good luck getting the mass adoptions when you're speaking like this. Again, when you focus on world-class copywriting, you want to be able to explain it to your grandma and catch people's attention in like 5 seconds. AKA your hook right here. So, I mean, the platform looks pretty nice. The UI looks good, so let's give them that. How does the APIs work? APIs provides extensive data analytics for digital assets across all public blockchains, both layer 1 and layer 2 scaling solutions. So I wonder what kind of data analytics. Our products. Hook. Hook helps our users visualize NFT assets and trading volume data in real time. Okay. Data Lake. Built on Data Lake infrastructure. Okay. I mean, I like that they're technical. Maybe not for their best, just because it's hard to translate good copywriting if you're too technical. But let's see if there's a team on here. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, data is the new oil, sure. Let's try to click on get started and see what happens. Okay, it just refreshes the page. The domain's a .xyz. This might be a scam, even though it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna pass on this. Next up, we have MLAND token, and their website's not working, so we will pass. Let's give them one more chance. Let's go to their Twitter. I've had to do this. Sometimes they don't link directly on their CoinMarketCap, which is a horrible sign of an incompetent team, but let's just check on their LinkedIn and hopefully that website works, and it does. Okay, so no two sunrises are the same. As I'm scrolling, the website's doing some sort of cool parallax. Vision. The Rising Sun project is focused on building generational wealth and providing passive income for our investors through cryptocurrency and leveraging utilities we can bring to our platform, creating an ecosystem of wealth. Okay, it's a lot of gibber jabberish. Give investors multiple opportunities to invest in our growing ecosystem. Okay. The design is beautiful. Let's give them that, but they're not really selling me on anything. Okay, tokenomics. This is your tokenomics. It's 3 numbers. I don't know if that's full. Good use of convincing people of your great tokenomics. Okay, they have an NFT collection. We're going to check this out on OpenSea and we're going to judge it based off of design. OpenSea is actually in a lot of shit right now with some insider trading, so that's interesting. All right, I don't love the design, but that's just a subjective personal thing. Some of you might like weird vampires and werewolves that look comical. These are like creepy. I'll just use creepy to describe them. I would not invest in that. How to buy? Yeah, too bad. Their design's really cool. There's no team. It doesn't. Oh, here we go. Team CEO. Let's check out their LinkedIn. Again, when you invest in projects, you're really betting on the team. So team plays a huge role. Like their copywriting, design, and marketing could be improved, but you can't. And I can't click on his LinkedIn for some. They need to fix that. Okay, I'm gonna pass on this. Too much work to try to figure out if they're good or not. Yeah, so today we have a couple. Oh, sorry, MLAND token was the one that we couldn't open the website for. That's my bad. So we have StarkMeta, which is a game that's apparently better than all the other games like Sandbox and stuff like that, or they're claiming to be, and they have Unreal Engine apparently, but there's no team, so for that reason I'll give it a half star. And then we also have Velodrome, which might be able to take some market share from Curve and Aave, but I'd love to know what makes them different, and that's one of the main things. So 2 half stars today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you tomorrow.